Edge banding machine has the functions of pre-milling, adhesive pressing and cutting, edge scraping, polishing, etc. Equipped with pre-milled edge strips, multiple angled pressure rollers ensure secure bonding, while front and back flush units guarantee perfectly flat and smooth cut surfaces. Its integrated scraping and polishing functions eliminate secondary processing needs. This machine can process materials such as medium-density fiberboard, blockboard, solid wood board, plywood, etc. It is widely used in panel furniture, custom furniture, cabinets, wardrobes, and interior decoration. We are committed to providing you with efficient and professional edge banding solutions.